Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how you can maximize your team's efficiency using Trello's Team Table View, the 2025 guide. Let's start with the basics. Open your Trello and navigate to the Board view. Now, locate the Table button on the top right and click it. This will switch your view to Team Table View. The reason we do this is because it gives us a bird's eye view of all the tasks across different boards in one place, making it easier to manage and track progress. Now that we've done that, let's start assigning tasks. To assign a task, simply click on the plus sign under a team member's name. Type in the task details, set a due date, and click Add. This helps us because it ensures that everyone knows exactly what their responsibilities are and when they need to be completed. Next up, let's talk about filtering tasks. Click on the filter icon on the top right. Here, you can filter tasks by member, label, or due date. This is crucial because it allows you to focus on specific tasks, making it easier to manage larger projects. The next feature we'll look at is the ability to move tasks. Simply click and drag a task to move it from one person to another. This is useful because it allows you to quickly reassign tasks if workload needs to be balanced or if priorities change. Lastly, to mark a task as complete, click on the task and then click on the checkbox that says Mark as Complete. This is important because it gives everyone a clear view of what tasks have been completed and what's still pending. That's it, folks. You're now equipped to efficiently use Trello's Team Table View to manage your team's tasks. Remember, the key is to keep track of tasks, assign them properly, and use the filter and move options to stay on top of everything. By doing this, you'll streamline your team's workflow and enhance productivity. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to tune in for more tips and tricks.